Heavy Reading continues to hear a consistent message from service providers that they are very interested in deploying 100 gig E technology, but the costs need to come down compared to 10 gig E. And one of the key concerns that they have is the cost of first generation components that are used in the line cards, and they're actually looking for more cost-effective second generation solutions to come out soon. We sat down with Huawei's Tony Hu to talk about 100 gig E trends, including what's happening on the components front. As a pioneer in 100 gig E and 100 gig transport technologies, can you describe what Huawei's done to make 100 gig E more affordable?
We did the 4 key things for the 100 gig systems. First important thing is leading chipset technology, and the second is for the flexible daughter card. And third thing, I think, is for 100 gig for cluster migration. The fourth point is for end-to-end 100 gig solutions. When we talk about the chipset, router should be very, very powerful based on chipset. And not only the forwarding chipset like the network processor, also the switching fabric chipset and also traffic management chipset, because QoS is very important for routers. So end-to-end chipset is quite critical for the powerful router based on the 100 gig platform. And when we talk about the 100 gig and 200 line cards, since the custom network should be smoothly migrated to the next step. So when Huawei designed the 100 line card, we totally based on the daughter card design. We can flexible configure the 100 gig, 40 gig, 10 gig, G interface together. So this mixed configuration mode can help the service provider to smoothly migrate from the low speed interface to the higher speed interface.
And what about the end-to-end solutions?
As we know, you can't build up the network just with 100 gig routers. You also need the DWDM part. And Huawei is quite strong, not only routers part, also the optical part. Based on the end-to-end 100 gig solution, the customer can build the very powerful 100 gig end-to-end pipe for any services.
Can you comment on the deployment activity that you've had and also some of the lessons learned?
Up to the end of January 2012, Huawei have shipped over 30 sets of the 100 gig NE570 system, which include the 4 sets of 2 with 2 cluster router. It's estimated that Huawei will deploy over 60 sets of NE570 system with 100 gig technology and over hundreds of the 100 gig ports until 2012 Q1.
What are the key applications that you're shipping 100 gig E for?
There are 4 important scenarios. The first one is for fast expanding of the IP backbone networks. The second one is for the metro egress routers. The third one is for data center interconnections. The last one is for cloud computing gateway router.
Could you highlight some of the advanced capabilities of your 200 gig E line card for us?
Huawei's 200 line card with their leading solid chipset is a full service line card, which could not only support layer 1 and the layer 2 features such as the BR and BIP packet error detection, but also support a lot of the layer 3 to layer 7 features such as the NetStream, QoS, IPv6, MPLS VPN, and also the clock synchronization. In the near future, Huawei also will, based on the software upgrade, to make the 200 line card with video enhancement capabilities.
Tony, thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you.